Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today we are going to be doing the Hausa Fulani makeup tutorial, and also I'm going to be showing you my new foundation routine, guys. This routine right here is just very easy. You can work on it when you practice more. And yeah, let's jump right into the video, guys. Okay, so who is watching Big Brother? Who watches Big Brother? So they just finished the eviction show right now, and I'm really excited and happy the people I love were not evicted. And yeah, let me jump right into the video. So as usual, normally you're supposed to clean the face. After cleaning the face with the micellar cleansing water, means you hydrated the skin, toned the skin, and also working on a clean canvas. That means the face is clean. So moving on, I'm going to be using the Cetaphil moisturizer. I'm going to be using Cetaphil. So right now I'm using Cetaphil on her face using a damp beauty blender. So as you can see, I'm going to be starting with the skin first. This foundation routine, guys, I told you I'm going to go very detailed on what I did the last video. Okay, so what I did was I used the Kalifa foundation in the shade Mango and Hot Choco to do her skin. As you can see, the foundation I'm using right now is a bit lighter than her skin. I'm going to be using the Mango shade. I'll be using it for the inner part of her face, and then the shade in Hot Choco is going to be for the outer part of her skin. I love this new foundation routine I'm doing, guys. It makes the highlight and contour easier. It makes everything flawless, and when you practice more, you blend very well. So as you can see, I'm going to be applying that on the middle part of her face where I'm supposed to be highlighting later on. Even if you don't highlight after you're done with this foundation routine, it's fine, because it will still show the highlighting whatever on the face. So as you can see, I'm now using the darker shade of the foundation. That's the Hot Choco shade for the outer part of her skin. So who loves this routine, guys? It's very very easy. And also this routine right here is it's way easy, more than the normal one. Like, it will make your highlighting game from 0 to 100 like very easy. I've said that. So moving on, I'm going to be making sure I blend everything into each other so that it doesn't show two demarcated lines. It doesn't show one is lighter and the other is darker. As you can see, can you see that? Now I'm going to be highlighting her face using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. I'll be applying that under her eyes, the bridge of her nose, her forehead, also on her chin and her cupid bow. So looking at this, I'm not going to be drawing her brows with concealer or concealing her brows. This is another tip for today. I have other tips, so you guys should just keep watching this video to the end and listen. Even though you don't like the makeup, I am very sure these tips are going to help you whenever you're doing your makeup. So look at this now. I'm not going to be concealing her brows after drawing it with pencil. After outlining her brows with pencil, I'm not going to be concealing the brows. I'm just going to be drawing it with only pencil. So the idea here is, as you can see, I'm highlighting. I applied the light concealer under her eyes, the chin, the cupid bow, forehead, and yeah, I'm going to be applying on her brow bone too, so that when I draw her pencil, it will be easier for me to highlight. So are you guys feeling this routine? Yeah. So can you see this? I highlighted her brow bone with concealer. It was very little, not too much, so I'm going to blend everything out. And yeah, can you see how flawless her skin is looking? Who loves this routine, guys? If you do, please don't forget to indicate down below, share, like, comment, and all that. Okay, so let's keep on moving. So after I'm done with blending, I'm going to be setting under her eyes using a lighter shade of powder, just to give that lifted look, and to set under the concealer, like under the eyes, so it doesn't crease up later. After that, I'm going to be applying setting powder. I'm using the airspun setting powder. I'll be applying that using a small wedge. So I'm going to be contouring the side of her nose using a powder palette, a darker shade of powder. I find contouring with powder very easy. So if you know me, or if you're joining me here for the first time, I do contour with powder. I don't do cream contour. Okay, so after I'm done with applying setting powder under her eyes, wherever it is I highlighted, I'm going to be setting her whole face using her shade of powder, and then boom, the skin work is done. This routine is very easy, guys. Under how many minutes you'll be done with it. So let's move on to the eyes. I have tips for you here, guys. So after applying your eye primer, you don't want to go above the line, like her crease, like her eyelids. You don't want to go above that line. You want to stay within that lane, guys. You don't want to go above and your eyeshadow looking all scattered and haggard like that. So as I told you guys earlier, I'm not going to be drawing the brows now. I'm going to be drawing the brows after I'm done with the eyeshadow. So that's why I highlighted her brow bone with a concealer. So using the nude palette from the Zikel Cosmetics eyeshadow collections, I'm going to be applying this rose gold shade. Is it rose gold? Yeah, champagne gold. I'm going to be applying that on her crease. So I'm going to be applying that, and then I'll be using the Zikel eyeshadow palette from this Lydia Stanley collection. I'll be doing her contouring and also doing the transitioning with this eyeshadow palette, so you guys should keep watching. So guys, can you see the difference between how I'm blending the eyeshadows? There's a difference, right? So guys, after I'm done blending the eyeshadow, I'm going to be highlighting her brow bone. Now just watch what I'll do with the eyebrow thing. I'm going to be setting the eyebrow bone with powder, a lighter shade of powder, just to give it that highlighted. Can you see the difference? Like this one that I just applied powder now is looking already lifted. So I'm going to be using a very sharp pencil. I'll be using the Davis eyebrow pencil number 18. So I'm going to be using a very sharp pencil. Make sure your pencil is sharp. If not, your eyebrows are not going to be looking very precise. You want to make sure the pencil is sharp, guys. If not, you can't achieve this look. So can you see this? Look at the brows. They look as if you just drew it and just concealed it and all that. Trust me, camera is not doing justice to these eyebrows. The way it looks naturally, like in real life, looks better. So you guys should watch this. Look at how beautiful her brows are looking. These brows were not carved, guys. So after I'm done with the outlining and also filling in the brows, I'm going to be going in with the brow tint to just keep the hair in place and also make sure the brows are well tinted and filled the way it's supposed to be professionally. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, guys. I do turban makeup and all that tutorials on here, and I also have a vlog going on every other month. So if you guys are interested, you should please watch this video. And yeah, then I'm going to be applying mascara on her lashes. And then another tip again, guys. So moving on to the eyes, I did something graphic to the eyes. I used a liquid eyeliner to draw her eyeliner. I used a liquid eyeliner because I know it will dry instantly. So I'm going to be using a neon pigment to do the graphic lining I was telling you guys just right now. Okay, so so for the graphic eyelining thing, I used this neon pigment from Sopro and the Hager and Esther solution something. Silite solution. I'll be using this. Is it Silite? I can't remember the name, but you guys can share see it. I just dropped few drops on top of my tray, and then I just scoop a little bit of pigment, like the blue shade of this neon pigment, on top of the tray. After scooping a little bit out, then I had to mix it together with the Silite solution. I mixed everything together and then lined on her eyeliner, like used it as an eyeliner. I lined her eyes with the okay, so after mixing everything together, I used a very precise brush to line her eyes. I lined above the black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner I lined before. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, when you see the thumbnail, you'll understand what I mean. So I lined on top of the eyeliner, the black liner, and then went over the eyelining again with a black liquid eyeliner again to just cover it up. Not on top of the blue eyeliner, like I just went and drew something and it was very graphic and beautiful. You might want to check my Instagram for a very detailed look, but I know I'm going to be showing you guys here on my thumbnail. You will see how the eye looks like. And when we were doing her eyeliner, she started tearing up, and you guys know I don't panic when my model cries or my clients. I just wait, pick up my paper towel and just touch inside her eyes, and everything will just soak into the paper towel, and boom, you are all ready to go, guys. So do not panic, just be patient, and then just do whatever you want to do. So guys, after I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to be cleaning off the setting powder using a smaller pointy brush, a smaller full brush. I'm going to be taking off the setting powder and then going in with the ladies night out, girls night out blush from V Beauty Nigeria. I'm going to be applying her blush lightly. I'm using the peachy purple shade on her cheeks. As you can see, her face is small, so I don't want to go all over with the blush. You have to be very careful, if not you end up applying too many blush on her face, which is going to turn out to be a disaster. So going in with my Get Gorgeous highlighter, I'm going to be applying that on her cheekbones, the bridge of her nose, her cupid bow, and then using a setting spray to set everything down. Yeah. So after setting her face, I'm going to be going in with the nude lips. This makeup is sharp guys, so you guys should understand with me. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just going to be lining her lips using the eyebrow gel I use, the brown eyebrow gel, and then going in with a nude shade from Adventure Makeup. I'm going to be applying that on the middle part of her lips and then topping it up with the Zaron Lip Max Shin Lip Gloss in Seashell. And then voila, she is good to go, guys. Just keep watching and see what happens. So guys, I am done with the lips. After I'm done with that, I'm going to be letting you guys see how beautiful she looks when she turns side by side. So the brows were not concealed, the foundation routine were different. That's just the main makeup thing for today, the foundation routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also comment. This is Hadidi Makeovers right here. I love you guys so much. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting, and also please don't forget to suggest new videos for me. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys on Thursday for another turban tutorial. Bye.